Gotta do a promo. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. That was the worst Shrek impersonation ever. Hey everybody, CRMediaGal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Harry Potter haul for you for the month of July. I'm not sure if I'll be doing these every month, to be honest, because your girl lives paycheck to paycheck, but when it comes to Harry Potter merch, I have a weakness. I fully admit it, but I have picked up a number of items for the month of July that I decided I would like to share with you, and I hope you will enjoy this. For those of you who are new, hello and welcome. My name is CRMediaGal, also known as Andrea. If you are interested in Harry Potter related videos, be sure to click that subscribe button so that you can get future notifications from me. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That really supports my channel and helps me a lot. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I think I am going to start with some old school merchandise that I have picked up on eBay. eBay is my weakness. I do collect a lot of Harry Potter merchandise, but I'm very, very particular and very picky about what I pick out. So yeah, some of these I've been waiting on for a while and have wanted for a long time. So first couple items I have for you are from the brand Enesco. They created a lot of Harry Potter merchandise, particularly related to the movies back in the day when they first came out. I'm not sure if they do like updated Harry Potter merch now. All of these I found on eBay for very good prices. So the first I have here is a Snape in the Potions class magnetic medallion. You can see that there. A lot of this stuff tends to predate the movies, so it came out around 2000, 2001. But as you can see here, what I love about this is book Snape for sure, with the cauldron and the cape. So yeah, I love that. I've been eyeing that for a while, and I believe I got this one on eBay for about $10. And considering it's old merch that you can't find anymore, I think that's a steal. Next, I picked up, shocker, another Snape item. If you have watched any of my other Harry Potter related videos by now, you'll know I love my Snape. I've been wanting these for a while too, so I picked up the Enesco Severus, Snape, and Hermione Christmas decorations. They're actual figurines and they predate the movies, as you can see here. So you got Snape with his initial attire as it's kind of described in the books, and then you got Hermione with her books. And the Severus Snape one, I believe I got for about $8, which, I mean, such a bargain. The Hermione one I got for a little bit more. She might have been closer to $12. Yeah, interesting story. I had actually picked this up on eBay for a friend. I picked this exact one up for her, I'm pretty sure, a couple of years ago, and I remember thinking, oh yeah, I need to pick up myself one of those, and I just kept putting it off. But you can find these on eBay every now and then, so eBay is your best friend. As a collector, I tend to take my stuff out of the packaging because I figure I really want to enjoy it. Every collector is different though. These I'm not sure if I'll take out though, just because as you can see on here, the packaging is so worn down, and I kind of want to save the packaging as well, so not sure yet. I'm certainly going to leave these out all year round. These will not just be out at Christmas time. Next, I don't have particularly a rare item. I got interested in these in the first place because they're relatively new, and I got the Hogwarts Castle and exclusive figures for it off of Amazon. They only had like 20 left or something, and I remember thinking, oh, are they going to make these again, or are these just like, you know, for a limited time only? I picked up, I might as well just turn these into Severus Snape hauls, because there's always going to be Severus Snape merch in my hauls. One of the Nano metal figures, Severus Snape. I wanted to have him after seeing a bunch of the figures that I bought for my niece for her birthday. I thought, you know what, I need to pick up some of these as well. The Severus Snape one in his robes is an exclusive one that only comes with the Hogwarts Castle. I would love to get my hands on that, so if anybody happens, you know, where I can pick that up, that would be great, because I haven't seen him on eBay so far. This guy I got off of eBay for like $3, and you can find tons of him on there. So yeah, I don't know. That's kind of random, but I had to have him in my collection. Next, moving into fashion/wearables, I picked up this Death Eater shirt, which may look familiar to you if you have watched my May GeekGear unboxing, I will leave a link to that down below. But we got the scarf in this from GeekGear. Well, I've watched several unboxings from before that, before I became a subscriber, and one of them was this t-shirt that came out, and I remember thinking, oh, I really want to have that. I was bummed that I had missed it, but of course, eBay is your best friend when you want to find this stuff, so I got this one off of eBay for about $9. It's very comfortable. The sleeves are a little funky though, and I've noticed that in my Hedwig shirt that came from the May box too. The sleeves are a little bit tight, but everywhere else it's fine. You may or may not be familiar with a Loot Wizarding Harry Potter subscription box, but it's one of the priciest ones that I've seen, so I'm not a subscriber. But I remember watching some of the unboxings, and I forget for what month it was. It might have been for January or February of this year. And I believe it was a Lootcrate exclusive. They got, it's the Black Family Tapestry shawl. The moment I saw that, I thought, that is absolutely beautiful, and I would love to wear that. I would wear this all fall and winter. It's absolutely gorgeous. And actually I thought, oh, well, you must be able to get this at like the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Orlando. You can't find this anywhere. So this must have been a Loot Crate exclusive for sure. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got the whole family tree, and it is just, I think it's just stunning. See, there's even some black holes in there for people that have been, unfortunately, blacked out. But yeah, I just thought that was so beautiful and so unique for Harry Potter. I just feel like, unless you are a Harry Potter fan, I could be out wearing this and you wouldn't necessarily know what it is. So, I'm always about more subtle Harry Potter merch. Though any of the stuff that you're watching or see me wear, you might think, Andrea, that's really not that subtle. So this was a little bit pricier. You can find these, again, on eBay. I've seen most of them selling for like $60 and up. I think just because it's such a rarity, I bargained for mine, and I got mine for about $35, which I consider really good considering every other seller on eBay is selling this for about at least $50 or more. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, and I will get so much use out of that come this autumn and winter. I can't wait to wear that. And lastly, I'm super excited. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for months to buy this. I had initially seen this on Hot Topic's website for, again, over $100, like a lot of their coats tend to be. I've since been checking on eBay. A lot of the times when I've seen this coat for sale in my size, it's going for over $100 and even over the initial price that it was on Hot Topic. I thought, I'm not paying that. Well, finally, recently, I saw it being sold on eBay in my size for about, it might have been like $65. So I'm sure anybody else would be like, Andrea, you're crazy. Why would you pay that much? Yeah, I know, but it's something that I've wanted for probably almost a year. So I just decided recently to bite the bullet and buy it because I thought I'm never gonna find it this cheap again. I just know it. So, which tends to be my rationale for buying things that I shouldn't be buying or can't afford, but oh well. I have this beautiful like teal/green textbook style overcoat. It's got gorgeous ruffled sleeves, 3 buttons down the front, V-neck here, and then in the back it's got gorgeous crisscrossing detail here, and then on the inside it's got, that's why it's called the textbook overcoat, because it's got textbooks all over it in silk, and they say like advanced potion making, history of magic, and I just thought this was absolutely beautiful, especially because the bottom is also angled and ruffled. I'll have to do a cutaway so you can see it. But yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'm so excited to wear it. You might think I'm crazy. I half think I'm crazy for spending so much money on this coat, but I love it. It's funky, it's different, you know, and unless you're actually looking really close towards the trail on the bottom or back of the coat, you're never gonna know that this is Harry Potter either. It might just look like a really cool coat to you. So yeah, I love it. I'm so excited to wear that. But that is it, everybody. That is my short little Harry Potter haul for July. I definitely know I will have a Harry Potter haul for August, even if it is a little small. It should be a little small because I need to stop spending money. But I did just randomly pick up a couple things fairly recently that have not arrived, so I'm not including them in this haul. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, please do be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe below so that you can get notifications on future videos. And please be sure to comment below and let me know what was your favorite item from this haul. I'd love to know. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye!